Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the M3 Pro. This is the 2023 40-inch MacBook and the chip is M3 and the RAM is 8 gigabytes. You can see the storage is 512 gigabytes. You can see this is the battery information. The battery capacity is 96% and cycle count 87. You can see this color. This is silver. Beautiful color, the silver, and you can see the keyboard slightly oily sheen. You can see, and you can see the trackpad. The trackpad function is normal. The trackpad is okay, and you can see no scratch, no scratch here. Oh, no, this is not a scratch. Okay, no scratch here, no scratch. The speaker grills, no scratch. Okay. And you can see logo the logo, no scratch, a little bit dirty, no scratch here. This corner, M3 8 gigabyte 512 2023. Also no scratch here, no scratch. Let me show you the port, the ports, no scratch, no scratches, no scratches, no bumps. Okay, no bumps. Let me show you the edge. Okay, no problem. Here is a little scratch here, little, a little bit scratch. And you can see this edge, the port, no problem, the port. And let me show you the back. Okay, the back is okay, no problem. Here is a scratch. You can see also a scratch here. Okay, let me show you the 40-inch, this 40-inch display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, let me close the window. Okay, now you can see the screen is okay, no problem. The screen is okay, no problem. This price is about 5,200. Let me show you another color. Okay, red color also, no problem, no problem. And show you another color, the green color. Okay, green also is okay. The display is no problem. And overall, this condition is good. Maybe not looks like brand new, but the condition is good. You can see this is 2023 40-inch 8 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes. Also, this battery information. You can see the battery 96%. Also, this is IMR7J3LL. This is US version. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will make more video about the MacBook. Okay, this beautiful color. Okay, see you in the next video.